Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So wait, let me pause my Vlogmas. Okay, so it's been a hot minute since I've vlogged. Life is busy, December is busy just with like, you know, Christmas, and I've been working a lot and I've been primarily on like night shift mode, so I'm pretty much a slug when I'm not doing a night shift. So today I'm quickly gonna run out and do some errands since I haven't really had time to do other stuff. I think I'm gonna go to HomeSense today, and I have a few other things I want to pick up because I have to buy for my Secret Santa at work, and I know what I'm gonna get her. And I think I'm gonna, the thing that I'm gonna get her, I think is, it's small, but I don't want to wrap like a tiny little item, so I think I'm gonna be a little shit and like wrap it in a bunch of different boxes. But we'll see. Just showered. I didn't wash my hair because who has time for that? So I just moisturized my skin with the xoxo water cream. This is a tiny little sample and it absorbs into your skin so fast. I really like it, but I don't know if I'll repurchase something like that just because it's like 80 some dollars, and who has money for that? I just repurchased my Neutrogena cream. Where is it? The Neutrogena Hydro Boost. Why am I out of breath? Hydro Boost gel cream. I like that one. The packaging is a little bit of overkill, but whatever, it does a good job. I'm going to get ready real quick, and yeah. Oh, I did want to show you guys some things. Okay. Maybe let's put on a little bit of makeup. Okay, so I'm just gonna get ready real quick. Maybe just a little bit of makeup. I kind of wanted to try out some products that I haven't used in a little while. I'm making my list for my 2018 best of high-end and drugstore makeup. And I did that last year and it did pretty well on my channel. So I need to start kind of going through some makeup and figuring out what I want to put on my list. As I was making my list, I kind of realized that I haven't used as much drugstore this year, and like my whole list and pretty much like everything I've been using has been high-end. So I'm like making my list for drugstore. Ooh, that's probably too dark, but whatever. I need to test this out again because I think I'm gonna put this on my list. And yeah, so like I needed to go back and kind of rediscover some drugstore stuff. So right now I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me, and this has always been a really good foundation, that and the L'Oreal Infallible. And I just wanted to make sure that I'm like, hey, yeah, this is still a good one, because I use it throughout the year, but I have so many foundations that I use all the time, so it's kind of hard to remember the properties of that foundation. Okay, so I just finished my makeup. I'm just gonna wear a hat today because I took my ponytail out and it was hella greasy. But when I was doing my hair, I realized that you guys haven't seen it. I chopped it. So I'm not gonna take my hair out because it looks friggin' disgusting. But my hair was like down to probably like here, and I chopped it to above my boobs. So it was a nice clean cut. We don't miss her. We needed a change, I think. So I'm really happy for my hair. That sounds stupid. So I think in another video when I actually do my hair, I'll show you guys. Sure, we can do that. So I put an order into e.l.f. during Black Friday, and so I picked up a few things. I picked up, I think I bought about 30 bucks worth of stuff, and I got 7 items, so I thought that was pretty good. So one of the items I got was this hydrating bubble mask. It's a bubble mask. It's really cool. So like you just press down and it comes out through the top, and then you just rub it on your face, and as soon as it hits like oxygen, it starts bubbling. It makes your skin feel very smooth and clean after, but as it bubbles, it makes you want to freaking itch your face so badly. So that's the only thing about that mask I probably don't like. Next, I got the e.l.f. Hydrating Coconut Mist. So I already tried it once before. Oh god. It smells like coconut, and the mist is so fine. It's just, oh, it's awesome. And it smells so good. So it says you can use it as like a primer, midday hydration, or to set your makeup at the end. And yeah, and I really like this. It actually, some mists, you spray your face and it kind of feels like it sits on your skin for a bit before it actually soaks in. And this, I feel like it instantly kind of sinks in. Oh, I like it, and it smells amazing. Next, I got a pair of lashes. So they're pretty, not too long. They look pretty fluffy, multi-dimensional, sweet. Next, I got, I've always wanted to try this foundation. This is the e.l.f. Acne Fighting Foundation with salicylic acid treatment in it. I've heard like people in the past rave about this back in the old YouTube, but I've never tried it because they've never had it in stores. So I finally saw it online and I thought I would try it out. Next, I picked up the e.l.f. Coffee and Cream Highlighter Duo by with a collaboration with Heart. The packaging is so pretty. It's like a metallic rose gold, and then this is the pan. I already swatched it, but this is almost too light, and this is a really nice shade, but I think if I mix them, it's gonna look beautiful. And then next, I got e.l.f. Oil Control Blotting Powder in medium. So I'm assuming this is just like a face powder with, you know, oil blotting properties to it. So I'll try that out. Last but not least, I picked up the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer Universal Sheer. So the reason why I wanted to pick this up was because it made me think of the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. It looks pretty much exactly the same, and it's the same kind of like putty kind of balm consistency. I do have a sample size of the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer, so I was thinking of doing a comparison video and seeing, is it worth your money? Because this was full price, I think maybe $5, and the Tatcha full price is probably like $65 or something like that. So that's what I got from e.l.f. And then I did want to share with you guys my BoxyCharm. So I get the monthly subscription of BoxyCharm normally, but this month I got the BoxyCharm Luxe, which is, I think the normal size box is like maybe a third of this. For the BoxyCharm Luxe, it comes every few months. They just top up your other box. You got so much more products, and you got more expensive products in this BoxyCharm this month, so I thought it was worth it. BoxyCharm in general, I think, is worth it, especially if you're interested in makeup and you want to just, or skincare, hairs, nails, you know, you just want to get more of a collection. So this Luxe Complete Brush Set was $65, and you got like a face brush, contour, some eye makeup brushes, a lip brush, highlighter brush. Then you got a Tarteist shimmering lip paint. And what shade is this? Insta Famous. Really light shimmering gloss. It's more of a topper, so it doesn't have much pigment to it. But it's pink with a blue purple shift in it. It smells like cookies. And that is originally $20. Next, I got, this was probably the thing I was most excited for. This is the Violet Voss Pro Palette. And, oh, look at that. It is beautiful. Oh, I should have used that today. Shoot. I was so excited to try it out, and that is $45. This is a body wash infused buffer, so it's pretty much like a sponge with soap in it that you can use in the shower. This is $20. And then next is this Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. I've never heard of this brand before, but this is retailed for $89. Anti-wrinkle day cream for fine lines, wrinkles, firm, smooth, hydrates. Ooh, I would like this. I'm really starting to get more like anti-aging stuff. I mean, I'm only 24, but it's never too early to start, you know? Ooh, I love the packaging of this. Very pretty. I got crow's feet after I graduated university. If that doesn't explain something, it freaking ages you freaking 20 years. And then I started getting the wrinkles kind of like on your under eye. And then same with my brow. I'm starting to get like brow lines, and I've never had that before. Oh, Botox hit me up. Next is the Wander Beauty Dusk Till Dawn Blush and Highlight Palette. This retails for $26. This is super pretty too. I swatched them and it's a good pigmentation for blush. Next is the Grande Cosmetics mascara. This retails for $25 and this is a lash boosting formula, it says. I should have tried this today. I'm actually kind of wigged out that this is not in packaging, but that's not the first time BOXYCHARM has done that. But the first time I opened this, I can tell that it's never been used. I got a mini hair straightener by, it's PYT. And this retails for $75 for this little nugget. What the heck? I love the color of this though. I think this would be awesome for people with shorter curly hair, because then you can, like, for weddings, going out for dates or a photo shoot or something where you needed to touch up your hair, this would be awesome to throw in your purse. For me, I don't know, maybe for front pieces. Then last, you got a Crimes Beauty wristlet and portable charger for $22. This is so cute, just like a little makeup bag. And then inside it comes with a portable charger. So I wonder how much all of this was worth. One sec. Okay, I had to grab my phone because I can't do simple math anymore. I'm stupid now, apparently. 65 plus 20 plus 45 plus 20 plus 89 plus I'm out of breath. Okay, so the value of this box was $387. That's pretty good, and everything in here I'm probably gonna get use out of. So I'm super excited with that, and I wonder when the next BOXYLUXE box is gonna come out. Maybe February or March? And then in between your BOXYLUXEs, you get your regular BOXYCHARM boxes. And yeah. All right, let's go do errands. How cold is it out? I feel like I can wear a lighter jacket. I feel like I need to get better at vlogging. I never know what's good to vlog, and then so I end up vlogging everything, and then my vlog ends up being freaking 30 minutes long. So I'm not good at that yet. I'm out of breath. Okay, so what do I have to get? I have to get, this is like a mental note, and then I'll just recall the footage. Good idea, you're smart. So I have to, okay, HomeSense, I have to get my little cousin, well, she's not really little anymore, but I have to get her, as part of her Christmas present. We need a new shower liner because it's gross AF. And then I need to pick up my Secret Santa's gift. So let's go do that. Oh my God, I just realized. Okay, I was gonna show you guys my OOTD, but look at this. What the heck? If this isn't Canadian tuxedo, I don't know what is. So hat is Adidas, jacket is Levi's, just a white t-shirt from, I think, Sport Check. And then pants, oh, my zipper is undone, don't look at that. And then pants are from Ross. Let's go. I'm a mess, but I'm the best, forget the rest. Let's go. Ugh. Oh my gosh, the last time I vlogged in a car was my moving vlog. That was like a year and a half ago. Oh my God. Oh my God, so earnest. Such good vlogging. All right, so let's go do some errands and I'll check in throughout. Maybe I'll vlog in store if I'm strong enough, if I'm confident enough, we'll see. I'm gonna get Starbucks because I'm a basic bitch.
Hi there, what can I get for you?
Hey, can I get a grande caramel macchiato?
For sure.
And that's it.
Okay, that'll be $5.51, thank you.
Awesome, thank you. Oh my God, I'm such a vlogger. Oh my God, call me Alicia Marine. Okay, I gotta put this down. Oh my God, I feel so embarrassed. Awesome, thank you. You too. Okay, window. This is on a, ah! I jinxed myself. I was just about to say this is the coolest vlogging angle ever. Nah. Okay, I'm turning you off now. So I am back at my house now. I didn't film anything at the stores I went to just because the purse that I was wearing is very tiny, and this thing is so bulky, and I don't think I've ever like vlogged in public, so I'm not starting now. Well, everything that I bought is pretty much presents. Actually, no, there's one thing that I got that is not a present, but I'll show you guys when I get inside. Okay, so time for the most boring haul ever. Present. Oh, there's another present that's not wrapped, so that's a present. Another present. Oh, oh, shh. That better not fucking broke. Shower curtain, because ours is nasty. And, oh, and this shower curtain that I got, there's so many different ones. I have no idea which one to pick, but I chose this one because it said it's biodegradable. What? Hashtag save the earth. How cute is this freaking little plant? Anything on an elevated plant stand is my heart. And then it's just this great like ceramic pot with these little fake succulents. Like, I was thinking I could put this on like a ledge somewhere or in the bathroom. I was thinking. Let's go take a look. Whoa. Boop a doop a doop. Uh-oh. When you go places and forget your freaking candle on. I already have these little plants here, but like, how cute would that be if I take this one down? Oh God, that sound. And then put it like here. Love. I'm an interior designer now. How cute is that? OMG. I love. I'm leaving it there. All right, I'm gonna end this vlog here. Nothing too special happened today, but I have a habit of making my vlogs like 20 minutes of pure nothing. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. I'm gonna start editing this and hopefully get it up, since I haven't uploaded a video in quite a while. So if you enjoyed this vlog, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.